Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to create a connector in Boomi Flow. First, log into the Boomi Flow platform, then go to the Connectors tab and click on New Connector. After this, select the connector type as Boomi Integration Service. For Atom type, select Other. Now go back to the Boomi platform, then navigate to the Atom that you wish to use, and then select the shared web server under Settings and Configuration. Here, what you need to do is copy the base URL for API requests. Next, back to the Flow platform. Paste the URL which you have copied in the previous slide in the URL section. Go to the Flow service component that you developed in the Boomi platform and copy the path to the service. Append the path to the service to the shared web server URL as shown in the above screenshot. Select the authentication type as basic. Next, navigate back to the Atom Management tab, then select your Atom and shared web server. Copy the username and configure a token, and then copy that value as well. Provide the username and token copied from the Atom shared web server, and then save the connector configuration. Thank you, that's all, and have a great day. Goodbye.